Winterbottom's lovely tea party, which is...
Recently, you may have seen this incredible video from Martin making its rounds on Twitter. Today, we're going to learn how to create one for ourselves. Using the text-to-image tool, start generating some interesting scenes and characters. It's helpful to go for generations that have the same general framing as your input video. When you get a generation that you like, add it to your assets folder and repeat the process as many times as you'd like. The more images, the more content we'll have to work with for our generations. If you want, you can also upload a still frame from your video and use it in the image-to-image tool, which will also produce great results in Gen 1. Now, navigate to Gen 1 from your dashboard, where you will see all of your snap clips and the images that you generated. Click on one of the images and adjust the style strength slider, or open the advanced options to control the parameters in more detail. The structural consistency slider is how you control the structure of your output video. Lower numbers will retain the structure of the original source video, and higher numbers will embody the structure of the input image. Style weight is how you control the influence of the image prompt on your source video. Once you've dialed in your settings, click the preview button to generate 4 still images from the settings that you chose. From here, you can generate a video from one of the previews, or keep tweaking your settings to dial in the style. Additionally, you can use one of the runway presets or a text prompt to generate as well. The goal here is to repeat this process for each snap clip that you have for your video. I like to generate a few styles for each snap, so I have some different options when it comes to the final step, which is combining them all back together again, then adding some sound design for each scene so it really sells the style more. With Runway, the worlds you can create are endless. Don't forget, you can also